Hello, this video will detail how to use the clear, detailed runtime status information under runtime management. On the runtime management page under runtime information, you may notice an option under runtime controls called clear, detailed runtime status information. This option essentially tells the platform to forget the runtime status and get the current status the next time the runtime pings home to the platform. Keep in mind that this is only from the platform's perspective. This option is only intended to be used to help with troubleshooting if the status appears to be stuck from the platform's perspective. For example, this runtime is showing as stopping in the UI, but on the back end, all of the services are up and running. I will select the clear, detailed runtime status information, which tells the platform to forget the stopping status and get the next reported status. We now see that the runtime is reported as online. To be clear, this option will only be present for local runtimes and does not affect the runtime's actual status or executing processes in any way. This concludes this video on how to use the clear, detailed runtime status information under runtime management.